What's up, everybody? I'm Jeremy, and it's pronounced Vag. Today, we're doing a little bit something that I haven't really done too much on my car, and that's a cosmetic mod for the exterior. We've got Karbel Carbon, carbon fiber rear trunk spoiler, and rear diffuser that I put on with the F1 style light. It's pretty awesome. I'll show you how to wire that up. Probably not going to go through how to install the actual diffuser, because really the only hard part is wiring it up to the light. And then we've got these side skirts that we're putting on. We're gonna maybe do a time lapse or show you how we do this really quick. The only thing I added here, it comes with its own sticky tape. I added a piece of 3M VHB for extra stickiness, and then we'll put 3 self-tapping screws into the bottom, although it's carbon fiber, so we'll pre-drill it. And then we got a front spoiler, which we'll go into a little bit more detail on here in a minute. All right, so here's the first look at the front lip that we've got here, and we went ahead and again added some additional 3M VHB in addition to the double-sided tape that they provide. It comes pre-installed on the front lip. We're going to install this with the tape, and then we're going to drill some holes and screw it into place so it doesn't go anywhere. It's all good. That's great. All right, so we are wiring up this light here into the brake light, and what I have found so far is that the yellow wire goes with the blue, or the purple wire with the blue stripe, the black wire goes to the brown wire, and the red wire goes to the green wire with the black stripe. So if you're looking at this with the numbers, that's 1, 3, and 2. If you're wondering why I didn't go into much detail on how to install the rear diffuser, it's because there's really just 2 screws under the rear that you remove, and then you can pull off the stock diffuser on your own. There's some really great videos on it on YouTube already that are pretty helpful. I'll see if I can post the links. In a similar fashion, I didn't go into much detail on the rear spoiler, side skirts, or the front lip, just because the sticky tape puts them in place. They're pretty straightforward. You just put some self-tapping screws in and you're done. Get yourself a friend to help hold things in place and keep them aligned. There's pre-alignment spots built into the pieces already. Also, go check out Street Ride's video on how to do the rear spoiler. His goes into a lot of detail and it's really good. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We got more content coming up, but that always helps.